Hi, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Here is Teacher Debbie. Hope you did what I told you. Today, you remember what I told you? I told you when we meet again, we are going to read all the sounds. You remember last time we were learning how to read we first read from sound A to sound, and then we finished. But today, I want us to combine all the sounds. And here we are. I'm in my class. I've decided to take you in my class, one of my walls. So it's where the sounds are displayed. I think you can see them very well. You can see them very well. We are going to read all of them from sound A to sound Z. Are we together? Alright. We are going to read faster. Because we have already finished to learn how to read all of them. If at all it is your first time to be here, you may not to read the sounds, you've never learned them, you may not be able to understand. So what I request you to do, go back and look for those sessions we posted last time, how to read sounds. At least you start from behind. If you start from here, you will not understand. You may not understand that from there where we started from, you will understand them very well. So can we start? You remember this one? We said the sound A. Sound A. This one we said is B. Sound B. This one K. Sound K. Sound D. Sound D. Sound A. Sound A. Sound F. Sound F. And this one? Remember this one? G. Sound G. Who can remember this one? Sound 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 E. Sound E. Sound E. Sound G. Sound G. Sound K. Sound K. Sound R. Sound R. Sound 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 O, sound O, sound 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 A, sound A. And remember we said this is A and this is A, but this one is crossed A and this is open A. Sound V, sound V, sound W, sound W, sound X, sound X, sound He, sound He, sound Z, sound Z. Alright, I think we have finished now to read the sounds. Have you enjoyed? We have managed to read all the sounds. So the next time we meet, we are going to learn how to write. How to write these sounds. How are they supposed to be written? So that you can know even how to start writing them, all of them. You even know how to start writing your name. Things are going to be nice. Alright, I learned to leave you from here. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have a question, my number is down there. Feel free to ask me anytime you want. Alright, have a nice day. Bye.